Walking down the aisle at Michael's is not just about decorating your celebration and your ceremony. There are also items that you can give to all of your bridesmaids and also a great gift to give to the bride. And I want to show you how easy this is to put together and so many items that you can find that can go inside to each of these bags. Now the canvas bag comes like this. It is blank only because we have some iron-on decals. First of all, of course, there's the bride, so that would go to her. And then a great gift, obviously, for all of the bridesmaids. Now, I already put this together, so I thought it'd be kind of fun if together we took it apart so you could see the many different things that you can give to everyone. So take a look at this. First of all, I used for my collection an escort card, and I put the name of the recipient on the outside so you can have these all pre-done and you can hand these off to all your favorite people in your bridal party. So we're going to open this up and have some fun. It's been stuffed and designed to obviously match the look of your wedding. But this is great to give to your girls at your shower. It's also great to give to them the day of. It's a great tote to carry things along to your wedding ceremony. It's also great for all of you to put all your items in the bag as you're departing the final moments of your wedding. Now, in here, ballet slippers. Of course, I know your feet get tired, and this is a great thing to add on to the final night or while you're getting ready for the big walk down the aisle. And here you have a belt. The belt comes in a variety of different colors, and it's a wonderful accessory to fashion. This is really great. Hanger. The hanger comes as bride, hello, and bridesmaids. So everybody can have their fashion nice and safe and on a hanger. We have a garter set here for the bride. We have some wonderful hair accessories. This is a hair comb. We have hair combs and brooches. They come in a variety of different colors, so it'll match the look of your overall wedding. Here's some bunting that says, this one has happily ever after, which is a great gift for the bride. Now this is a vow book. There's one that's black and one that's white, one for the groom, one for the bride. You can exchange your vows, and this is a great keepsake from the moment you walk down that aisle and you exchange your vows. You have this close to you forever as you move forward in your life. So this can be filled up with so many different things. Listen, there's no wrong, there's no right. The beauty of this is that when you're walking down my aisle at Michael's, you can find all of this and more, so you can customize your gift to your bridesmaids and something special from them to the bride.
Subscribe to our channel and share your projects using the hashtag #MakeItWithMichaels.